really want the pain from the muscles to be gone, focus on physical therapy and rehabilitation. So, we are going to question number 5. Pwede po bang magpapa-massage 2 months after surgery sa hip? Is massage safe, doc? Or delikado po ba yung massage? So, if you are 2 months after surgery, usually the soft tissues have healed and it's not something that I would recommend, but pwede naman. Bakit hindi ko nire-recommend po yung massage? It may be safe for others, but in general, if you feel you have muscle pain and you're 2 months after a hip replacement, most of the muscle pain can become coming from the weakness and kulang yung physical therapy, kulang yung strengthening ng muscles, and just a massage will give you just a temporary relief. It doesn't mean to say that the massage will cure your muscle pain. It's just a small pain relief. If you really want the pain from the muscles to be gone, focus on physical therapy and rehabilitation. Healing does not need to be rushed. You have to respect the body po. So, if you have hip replacement, yes, pwedeng magpapamassage. But remember, always consult with your doctor. Ipapaalam nyo rin sa masahista yung mga sinasabi ng doktor kasi every patient is different and that's why it's best to consult with your surgeon.